Hello, gladiators in suits. You may notice that I've been doing a lot of face-to-face talks lately now that we are at the tail end of the pandemic. So here's a quick vlog giving you a glimpse on what happens during our motivational sessions. For this vlog, we're featuring our leadership talk for the sales achievers of USANA. For the uninitiated, USANA is a multinational company that promotes wellness through its supplements and personal care products. As a user of USANA products myself, I've been a proud ambassador of the company for half a decade now, doing motivational talks and trainings for its associates. In that span of time, I now feel like I'm part of their family. So, here I am now in Conrad Hotel to do our workshop, doing outfit check first in the washroom before I enter the venue. Then we're off to the registration area to tell the organizers that I am here. This is the first time I'm seeing the management team since the pandemic, so I get all giddy seeing all their real faces again, and then we take loads and loads of photos. I usually arrive 30 minutes before the session so I can settle down and get a feel of the people in the room, which I call as a vibe check. So far, it's all good vibes. So first things first, get a cup of coffee to wake me up. I don't miss this part, especially when you're in a posh hotel that serves good quality latte. And of course, you see these packets of tea, they will be inside my bag later when no one is looking. Kidding. So we indulge with a cup of latte, and then we do one of the most important things before I do a talk, and that is to do a tech run. This is a must. I check my slides, my mic, my clicker. I do some stage blocking. Everything is working well, except that the tech team tells me that the LED screen is showing the wrong colors, and they've yet to fix it. So tech issues are no stranger to me, but that's why I arrive ahead of time. But whenever these happen, I get a bit anxious because slides are very helpful to amplify the impact of my talk. But I go back to my seat, check my emails, and then pray that they get to fix the LED screen soon. A few minutes later, the USANA associates start to fill in the room, and we're told to settle down in our seats as the session is about to start. By the time we know it, we kick off the session with introductions, and I also get called on stage. The LED screen wasn't fixed, by the way, so I'm just gonna wing this with more energy. My session for this talk is about how to effectively give constructive feedback to your teams, which is a leadership topic that I think a lot of managers are missing today. My talk is followed later on with an awarding ceremony. You can see their trophies here. And this is a portion where we recognize the growth drivers and trailblazers of USANA. You can see a lot of their beaming smiles here, and I bet their coaches and their teams are so proud of them. Then it's lunchtime. Of course, we do a lot of eating in this company, and I get to mingle more. I get to take photos with USANA folks and their inspiring leaders. And I do wish I can stay longer, but have to say goodbye to Rush for my next talk in the afternoon. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys in my next talk. Bye, guys.